Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to find top artists on Spotify. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Here, on its homepage, you will find some of the top artists. If you swipe on more of what you like to your left, you will also find top tracks on suggestions. Tap to open that suggestion box. Here you can select your preferred language. Or you can also go to charts to see the top 50 tracks. You can see the top 50 tracks of your region and global hits. You can play any of this list. There is another way as well. Go to the search bar. Here, search for top artists. You'll find different lists of the top 50 and top 100 artists in the results. Tap to play any of them. As you can see, you have top rated songs by various artists in this playlist. Tap to play any of them. Also, you can search top artists of different countries in the search bar. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.